So first you fold the paper in half. Now we're gonna open up the piece of paper. Now we're gonna fold one corner like this. Now we're gonna open this corner up and then fold the third corner down like this. Now we're going to turn it around. Now we're going to touch the center part where these two things meet. And you're going to fold it down. And crease it. And open up the piece of paper. And touch this middle part. And fold these in. And kind of squash it. And now we're gonna fold one corner to the top. And then you're going to do the same with the other corner. Now you're going to fold up one corner like this again. And you're going to do the same with the other corner. Now you're going to open both of them up. Now you're going to do it from the top. Now you're going to open it up. Now you're going to fold this down like that. And now you're going to fold this back. It's going to be going up. Going to do the same with the other side. Now you're going to flip it over. Now you're going to fold this part down.
Whoa, what the heck is that?
And now you're gonna fold it in half. Now you're gonna fold up one corner like this, one wing like this. Now you're going to do the same with the other side. Now you're going to fold one of these things up as a stabilizer. And do the same with the other side. So they both look exactly the same. Now you're going to open it. Put these stabilizers up. Kind of curve to the back up a little bit. Now it's time for the test flight. You should throw it outside, it goes further. Ready?